SmartStudi AI has just hit the scene, and today I'm going to walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know about this newly released AI software. If you're looking for a powerful tool to elevate your digital marketing strategy or enhance your workflow, stick around because this could be a game changer. You can also try SmartStudi AI for free with the link in the description below, so let's dive in. First off, SmartStudi AI is designed to streamline content creation, marketing, and automation, making it perfect for digital marketers and business owners. What sets it apart is its ability to integrate AI with every part of your digital strategy, saving you time, improving your efficiency, and helping you scale your business. But is it really the best AI software just released? Let's find out. One of the standout features of SmartStudi AI is its user-friendly interface. Whether you're tech-savvy or just starting out, this tool makes it simple to create stunning, high-quality content in no time. The intuitive dashboard helps you organize and streamline tasks with just a few clicks, which is ideal for those who don't want to waste time figuring out complex software. Another key aspect to mention is SmartStudi's AI-powered writing assistant. It's not just about generating content. SmartStudi is built to help you write with purpose and precision. Whether you're creating blog posts, email campaigns, or social media content, the software suggests improvements to make your text more engaging and effective. It's like having a professional editor at your fingertips 24/7. What really elevates this tool is its data-driven marketing capabilities. SmartStudi AI uses advanced algorithms to analyze your audience, track behavior, and provide actionable insights that can drive your marketing strategy forward. This kind of real-time, actionable data can make a massive difference in targeting the right people with the right content. Let's talk about its automation features, because that's where SmartStudi shines. You can automate repetitive tasks, schedule posts, manage email campaigns, and even track results all from within the platform. This saves time and ensures that you're working smarter, not harder. Now, for those of you who are concerned about integrations, SmartStudi AI has seamless integration with major tools like Google Analytics, CRM systems, and social media platforms. This means you don't need to worry about switching between different apps. It's all right there in one place, ready to use. Something else worth noting is that SmartStudi is optimized for scalability. Whether you're running a small business or a large enterprise, this AI tool is designed to scale with your needs. You won't outgrow it as your business expands, which is a crucial consideration when adopting new software. Lastly, let's talk about the support OCO. SmartStudi AI offers excellent customer service. Whether you need technical help or guidance on using the software effectively, their support team is readily available. This is a huge bonus, especially if you're new to AI tools or automation software. So, is SmartStudi AI the best just released AI software? From what we've seen so far, it certainly holds up as a top contender for anyone in the digital marketing space. It's an all-in-one tool that can save you time, boost productivity, and enhance the quality of your content and marketing strategies. If you're looking to elevate your business, SmartStudi might just be the perfect solution. And before you go, I've personally tried thousands of AI software, and I've left a list of my top recommendations in the description below. You can try them out for free, so be sure to check that out after the video. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the link in the description to try SmartStudi AI for free and start improving your digital marketing today.